Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best enzyme detergent is probably one of the most frustrating household problems for cat owners. Cat urine can leave behind stubborn stains and odors that seem impossible to remove. But don't worry, in this video, we're diving deep into the world of enzyme laundry detergent specifically designed to tackle those pesky cat urine messes. We'll explore how these detergents work, what to look for when choosing one, and how to use them effectively to banish those unwanted smells for good. Number 5. Rocco and Roxie Stain and Odor Eliminator. This product is chlorine-free and color-safe. It's safe to use around pets and children, and it leaves no residue behind. It's so gentle that it's been certified safe for all carpets. This formula eliminates not just the stain, but also the stink. It tackles everything from pet urine and feces to vomit and other organic spills. It's a professional strength formula. You can use this product on carpets, floors, furniture, clothing, and more. It's suitable for use in litter boxes, kennels, carriers, and all pet living and sleeping areas. It can be used anywhere stains happen. The key is getting to the problem deep down. This spray contains natural enzymes that are activated on contact with odors and stains. The enzymes feed on ammonia crystals and organic matter until they are completely eliminated. You want the best for your best friend, and so do we. If you are not satisfied with the performance of this product, please contact us. We are determined to make it right. What we like. This product effectively eliminates stains and odors. It's also safe for your furry friends and kids. The enzyme activation ensures it tackles the problem at its source. If you have multiple pets or kids and are worried about safety, this is a great choice. What people say. I went around the house spraying their usual spots that I had figured out, and it was like they were never there. The smell was gone, the few stains that were there, poof, gone. Almost instantly the smell of pee and cat spray went away. I have also used it on just about every type of material: hardwood, wooden chests, carpet, clothing, couch fabric, cabinets, outside. None of the areas that I have used this cleaner on have stained or look any different condition-wise than they looked before I used it. Number 4. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator, 8 ounces. Tired of pet odors lingering in your home? This 8-ounce bottle is designed to eliminate even the toughest smells. It's a powerful solution that works effectively on various surfaces. This product doesn't just mask odors, it eliminates them at the source. The enzymes break down the odor-causing proteins. It's a must-have for pet owners. It's easy to use. Just add a small amount of the concentrate to water, shake, and spray. A little goes a long way with this powerful formula. Use it on carpets, tile, wood, and grass. It's versatile enough to tackle odors wherever your pet leaves their mark. Just avoid using it on leather. Enjoy the fresh, citrus scent derived from orange peels. It's pet-friendly and leaves your home smelling clean and refreshed. It's like a tropical vacation for your nose. What we like. This product is a concentrated formula that packs a punch against strong odors. It also leaves a refreshing citrus scent. It can be used on various surfaces, making it versatile. If you are looking for a powerful, multi-surface cleaner with a pleasant scent, you should consider this. What people say. This stuff is awesome and really gets the smell out. You may have to apply it more than once, especially if it's an older set in accident. Works great. Wow. I will be buying this again. Combats dog smell. Quickly. Doesn't stick around too long. Neutralizes it. Es realmente pequeño el recipient pero hay que recordar que es concentrado. 21 del producto, más o menos, en otro recipient con atomizador y inmediatamente probe sobre el lugar donde había hornado mi gato y quid fascinado. Realmente funciona. Es lo único que me ha funcionado para quitar el penetrante olor de orina de gato, el cual últimamente lo había dado por marcar ciertos lugares, como la sala de TV. Number 3. Rocco and Roxie Litter Box Odor Eliminator. Is your cat's litter box a source of unpleasant smells? This product effectively neutralizes odors at a molecular level. It keeps the litter box smelling fresher for longer. This product mixes easily with all types of litter. It extends litter life by wicking away moisture. You can go longer between cleanings and save money. It's non-toxic and 100% plant-based. Made from all natural, highly absorbent corncob granules. It's safe for people, pets, and the planet. This product is not just for litter boxes. It's also great for trash compactors, garbage cans, kennels, and animal carriers. It's versatile and effective. We want the best for your best friend, and we do too. If you are not satisfied with the performance of this product, contact us. We are determined to make it right. What we like. This product effectively absorbs litter box odors. It also extends the life of your litter, saving you money. It's safe for your pets, people, and the planet. If you like a fresh-smelling home and want to reduce litter changes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This product effectively eliminates cat urine odor and scooped, sifted litter for 7 to 10 days, dramatically extending the life of my litter. The shaker bottle is exceptionally easy to use. I just sprinkle the top of the box before and after sifting to have some granules spread through the litter and a layer on top. If I stick my head right in the litter box, all I smell is this stuff even if there's a poop in there. To me it smells like bubble gum or candy. It really works. Number 2. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator Kit. This kit from Angry Orange is designed to eliminate strong, lingering pet odors. It targets the source of the smells and destroys them effectively. You'll be amazed at how well it works. This product is versatile and can be used on various surfaces. It's great for carpets, tiles, upholstery, and even car interiors. It's a simple solution for multiple odor problems. For best results, remove your pets from the area. Clean up any excess mess, shake the bottle well, and spray the affected area. Let it dry completely for the best results. The formula is derived from fresh orange peels, providing a pleasant citrus scent. It works effectively on stubborn odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. The natural scent is a bonus. The kit includes a UV blacklight flashlight to help you locate the source of the odors. This helps you target the areas that need the most attention. Use it to find and eliminate those hidden smells. Angry Orange is committed to customer satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with the product, reach out to their responsive customer service team. They are there to help. What we like. This product targets and destroys strong odors. It can be used on various surfaces, making it versatile. It also has a refreshing citrus scent. If you have stubborn odors in multiple areas of your home, this is a great option. What people say. When we bought this with the black light, we were able to find exactly where he was peeing. The smell was removed after a few separate applications. It does exactly what it says. You pretend you are an agent on CSI, and you go around looking at everything with this UV flashlight. When there's been pee there, it glows. Just like CSI. I was able to find all the spots and even the spots I was not aware of. Once cleaned, I used the blacklight again and no signs of urine. Number 1. Dirty Labs Scent-Free Bio-Enzyme Laundry Booster. This is a hyper-concentrated laundry booster from Dirty Labs. It's designed to be gentle on your clothes and the environment. It is non-toxic and biodegradable, ensuring a clean wash every time. The formula is made with 100% bio and mineral-based ingredients. It avoids harsh chemicals, fillers, and toxins. This means it's safe for your body and leaves your clothes incredibly clean. This booster features a groundbreaking bioenzyme that tackles tough stains and odors. It effectively breaks down sweat, body grime, and blood stains. You'll notice a difference in your whites and other garments. Dirty Labs focuses on sustainability with hyper-concentrated formulas. This reduces packaging and minimizes the carbon footprint. The packaging is recyclable, and the scoop is made from responsibly sourced wood. Simply follow your washing machine and garment care instructions. Add the Bio Laundry Booster to the drum before adding clothes. It's compatible with both standard and HE machines, and it's septic safe. This booster offers 48 loads per container and is free and clear of scents. It's optimized for cold water, hypoallergenic, and safe for sensitive skin, babies, and pets. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, and free of many harsh chemicals. What we like. This product uses a bioenzyme formula that is gentle yet effective. It's also environmentally friendly, with sustainable packaging. If you are looking for a laundry booster that is safe for your family and the environment, this is the one for you. What people say. 2 washes with the correct detergent and 2 scoops of this wonderful powder got rid of this cat's pee smell on everything. including a couple items that we'd written off but decided to try versus tossing. Adding 1 scoop of this completely solved that. No other special steps taken. I am a believer. I have very sensitive skin and have been able to use this without issue. Picked up to start using to brighten towels and white t-shirts and help remove gym smell from athletic wear, and it has become something I reorder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.